And now let us go into the silence. What is it you want to be and or to have? How would it feel to already be and have whatever it is you want to be and to have? How does it feel? That feeling, let us continue to feel it, to marinate in it, breathe in and out of it, becoming completely saturated, as within, so without. What scene would you encounter if you were who you wanted to be and or had what you wanted to have? What is your grand slam scene you would encounter? Maybe it's someone congratulating you. Whatever it is, let the power of your senses come in, especially of touch. For example, it might be feeling the embrace of a loved one, or feeling the paper of a big check, or feeling the breeze of somewhere you want to be, and what you'd hear, and what you'd smell in the air. The scene need only be a few seconds or so. Loop it a handful of times, and now enter the vision. And now let us give thanks for being who you want to be and having what you want to have. Thank you. Thank you, Father. You wouldn't be thanking if you didn't already have. And having on the imaginative level and persisted is more real than having what you call in 3D, because 3D blossoms from your imagination. Feel free to repeat this session. And now that you have the idea how to do this, especially if you've been listening to a number of my videos and have had continued practice in doing this, you can take this exercise into your sleep, and or if you prefer, upon awakening, and or after a hearty meal, whenever feels best for you, even just once a day, unless it feels light and natural to bring it more frequently into your life. Continue until you know what you want is yours, just a strong feeling. And then you'll only do the exercise when you feel to. Should the desire come again, or should you be triggered by something in 3D, and or continue until what you want is already yours, because it already is yours. Congratulations. And thank you, since we're all connected. My success is your success, and your success is my success.